Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the popular kitchen gadgets podcast Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to cook air fryer oven chips. If you love your oven chips, then I often find that when you cook them in the actual oven, they are not really crispy, they're quite soggy, and they just don't have that deliciousness that you get from proper fried chips. So today I'm going to show you how it's done in the air fryer so that you can have the lower calories of oven chips but with the greatness of French fries. And we also have 450 plus more easy air fryer recipes over at RecipeThis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fryer newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. So this is us Milners trying oven chips in the air fryer. You can use any bag of regular oven chips. Normally I would use McCain's, but I couldn't find any McCain's when I went shopping, so these will do instead. What I don't like about the own brand ones is that they often have more oil on them, too much salt, and often stick together. But these ones might not be too bad because I haven't tried them yet. So you can add as much or as few to the air fryer basket as you want. So just obviously don't fill it to the top, but you can double layer it. That's a good size portion to do. And then of course, place it in the air fryer. So let's set the time and temp. So we're looking for 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. And then a cook time of 10 minutes, and then we can check on them and see if they need any longer. And we beat. Wow. Now give the air fryer basket a good shake and then see how far along they are. In my opinion, they're not as cooked as nice as what I would like. So what I'm going to do is give them a spray with extra virgin olive oil and put them on for a little bit longer just to give them a bit more of a crisp. So we're going back on for another 3 minutes at 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit. And we beat. And they're much more like it. They're not crispy like traditional air fry frozen French fries because they're oven chips and they are not seasoned with as much oil. But they are perfect and much better than the soggy ones that you get when you cook them in the oven. So just serve them up with whatever you like and they're ready to enjoy. So these are the oven chips. Let's give them a try, shall we? They're really, really nice, and they're not soggy like they would be if you cooked them in the oven. They're absolutely perfect. And I can just imagine serving these for the kids for dinner with some beans or some chicken nuggets and things. They're just absolutely perfect. And I'll have the link to the recipe in full in the video description for you. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.